Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examination are commencing from 11th of November, formally for class 10th, and for class 12th, it is 12th of November. So in these days, you must put extra efforts, you must do extra hard work so that you can crack these coming exams with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, the unfortunate part of the story is that you are virtually connected to your teachers or you are virtually connected to your teachers. The physical mode remained off due to COVID-19 pandemic. So you have to work hard. This is the only option left for you to crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, now there is a 40% concession as bold as the JK Bose finally realized or felt it that students were not physically in the schools, they were connected to teachers virtually, and the face-to-face interactions must for students. So the relaxation was given to 40%. So you can skip some chapters where you have no command, and don't attempt 100 out of 100. You attempt 60, and you will that would be proportionately raised to 100. You can easily skip some chapters where you have no command at all. Dear students, class 10th and 12th, today we are dealing with your important topic that is asked in the board examination, that is called editing. So when we define editing, editing is a process in the stage of writing where an editor or a writer tries to improve draft by correcting the errors and make the draft more effective. So you have to simply keep in mind uh, editing is just clear the errors in the sentence. There are often the grammatical errors, and the question is asked like this: edit the following sentence. Edit the following sentence because there are some grammatical mistakes, and you have to edit these grammatical mistakes. And sometimes in front of a sentence there is dash 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 dash, and you have to edit the word that is grammatically unsound and put the actual word or the right word in the blanks. For example, Ram do not go to school daily. Do not go to school daily. It is grammatically unsound. How it is grammatically unsound? Because Ram is a third person singular. In third person singular, with we can't use do. So the do is grammatically what? Unsound there. You have to remove do by word does. So it becomes grammatically sound. So do is incorrect. Correct is does. This is how the sentence gets cleared, or we can say the grammatic error is you first find and then clear it. And similarly, for example, boys and girls plays cricket well. Boys and girls plays cricket and well. That means boys and girls plural, and you can't use uh, s with the first form of verb when there is a plural subject. For example, boys and girls. So the boys and girls play cricket well is grammatically sound. So you have to edit plays, and instead of that you have to insert play. You have to write down in front of the sentence as plays. It is grammatically sound, and this is called the editing. You remember, editing is just to correct the error, grammatical error in a sentence. And in board examination, this asked like this: there is an error in the following sentence, and find out the error and correct this error. This is called the simply editing. Take one more example. In the 12th class, sometimes it's asked, if you heat ice, it will melt. If you heat ice, it will melt. It is if plus present simple plus present simple. So if you heat ice, it melts. It will melt is grammatically unsound. So you have to remove will. If you heat ice, it melts. It melts is clear. Will you have to remove, and it becomes grammatically sound. So the erroring word there is will. Dear students, take one more example so that you will get clear. Ram and Karim have passed the examination in 2012 of class 12th. This is grammatically unsound because it is a past event. Ram and Karim have passed the class 12th examination in 2012. It is what? It is past event, and past event is often said in past simple. So have passed is grammatically what? Have past is grammatically present perfect, and present perfect is a tense in which you show the action that have present consequences. So Ram and Kareem passed the examination in 2012. Passed the exam. You have to remove have and it becomes grammatically sound. So the error there is have. Error there is have. You have to edit it and write down in front of it that this is the error. Have is the error there, and the passage or the sentence gets edited. Dear students, take one more example so that you will get it clear. Ram Ram does goes to school daily. Ram does goes to school daily. It is grammatically unsound. When there is does, there is no es or ies or s with the verb. Remember, when you insert does is used with singulars in case of present simple, third person singulars, that is third person singulars, and when we insert does, the verb never takes a S or ESIS. So Ram goes to school is clear. Ram goes to school is clear. When there is Ram does, then it is go to school. Ram does goes to school is grammatically unsound. When there is does, you have to remove ES from the verb goes. So Ram does go to school. So you find the error as goes and write down in front of a sentence. So this is called the editing. Remember, editing is just you have to find out the grammatical mistakes there and clear these grammatical mistakes or rectify this. So editing is a process in which you simply find out the errors in a sentence or in a passage and clear these errors. Take one more example so that you can get it more clear. If he had worked hard, he would pass it. If he had worked hard is if plus past perfect, and then it's a would have condition. If he had worked hard, he would have passed. If he had worked hard, he would have passed. If he had worked hard, if plus past perfect, he would pass it. It is grammatically unsound. You have to put word auxiliary, that is have, then it is grammatically sound. So if he had worked hard, he would have passed. Though so simple it is. Editing is a process in which an editor or a writer tries to make clear a draft by correcting the errors so that the draft is effective to the possible extent. And we simply can say that editing is a process in which we correct the grammatical errors done in a sentence. In a particular sentence, some grammatical errors are done and you have to clear these grammatical errors. Take example, I plays cricket well. With I, you can't use plays. I, you, and have never takes S with the verb. So I plays cricket well is grammatically unsound. I play cricket well. So you have to find the error. Error is there. Plays is incorrect and correct is play. This is how editing is done. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query or forward your query by any means, if there is any query, within short duration of time your query or confusion shall be cleared. But better is to put extra efforts, do extra hard work so that you can crack the coming exam with nice percentage of marks. My prayers are with you. Do hard work and you will crack the examination with huge margin. Thanks. Be well.